Having a hard time getting your point across?
Maybe you need a more engaged audience? Or are you looking for a more captivating way to catch your viewers' attention?
Well, animated videos can do it quick and easy. Studies show visual learning retains 200% more information.
We know your time is valuable and we understand. And creating a new video can take a lot of time and money.
While you focus on maximizing your business, let us bring to life a creative animation to exceed your expectations. And that is why our clients choose us and love our work. Hi, I'm Anthony.
And I'm Katie.
And together, we make the experience seamless, fast, and professional. We brought our talents from South Beach to Fiverr. We have been creating content for over 5 years and have grown amazing relationships with over 500 clients. So sit back and relax so we can go ahead and begin the work for you.